are going to play together, hopefully, tonight at the Grammys. We're going to play Come Together, because that's kind of apropos.
Okay.
And there you go.
All right, Scott and Jaybird, come together, ladies and gentlemen.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here come old flat top, he come grooving up slowly. He got juju about he one holy roller. He got head down to his knee. Got to be a joker, he just do what he please. He wear no shoe shine, he got toe jam football, he gon' monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he said, I know you, you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. He back production, he got Walrus gumbo, he got no sideball, he want spinal cracker, he got feet down below his knee. Put you in his armchair, you can feel his disease. Come together right now over me. He roller coaster, he got early warning, he got more.